Hello and welcome in CAD in the 60 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise 23 and this is our exercise 23. So we are going to complete it in Fusion 360. So first of all we will draw a rectangle of dimension 214 by 214. Okay, so create a sketch and select the rectangle tool, select the center rectangle, specify the center point. Now specify the dimension, that is 214 by 214. Okay, and next thing is, this is 214 by 214, the outer periphery is 214. Okay, and we will do offset, select, then offset is of 15, so 15, click on this. Okay, so here it is offset of 15 throughout the sketch. And next thing is draw a circle here of R35 and R50 at the corner of this rectangle. Okay, so this corner is a center point for these two circles. So circle, select the corner point as a center point and then draw a circle. R35 means dia will be 70 and R50 means dia will be of 100. So 100. Now the next thing is, similarly draw a circle at this point and now trim the unwanted lines. So activate the trim tool and next thing is trim, 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 trim this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so similarly trim here, this one, and this one too. Okay, trim this one, trim this one. Click on the finish sketch and you have your closed profile, which is similar to the drawing in this PDF. Now what you have to do is, we have to extrude it to 20. Click on home button, extrude, select the profile and then specify the extrude distance, that is 20, and click on OK. So here you have your 3D model of this 2D drawing, and you can create similar model using different methods, so it's up to the user. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.